In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add JazzCash payment gateway in WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily set up and use JazzCash as a payment method in WordPress. To add the gateway to any website that you have, you will need to download some specific plugins. There are various methods to do this. However, for this video, the plugins that I recommend are going to be the Simpaiza wallet. So go into the plugins at the left side, choose Marketplace or Add New Plugin, and then look for this plugin here first, Simpaiza Wallet. This will support JazzCash and EasyPaiza. So once you have this installed, you will need something else, especially if you are using WooCommerce. So if you look into the plugins, you can also find the WooCommerce JazzCash Gateway plugin. Like I said before, both of these are going to be needed to get JazzCash properly integrated into WordPress. Allows WooCommerce to accept payments using JazzCash Gateway. So once you have both of these activated and ready to go, you will find them under your plugin tab. And now, if you go over to the payment settings on your website, especially if you are using WooCommerce, you will find the Payments tab. And inside of the Payments tab, you will see JazzCash. You will also see other options like Easy Pay, and you can enable or disable them from here. JazzCash Payment Gateway plugin for WooCommerce. So once you enable this, you will be able to select Finish Setup, or you can click on the JazzCash name. You will then be able to input the title of the payment method, the description, merchant ID, and other information. Sadly, I cannot showcase all of the information being filled out because it is personal and this is going to relate to your specific ID and credentials on JazzCash. I hope I was able to help you on how to add JazzCash Payment Gateway in WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.